Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show you and tell you how to delete Google account on Android. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video till the end. Let's get started. There are several ways to do this. The first one is we can go to the YouTube app. Next, in the upper right corner, click on your profile. We must enter it. And here we need to click Manage your Google account. The second way is to go to the settings on our Android phone. Scroll to the bottom or use the search bar. Go to the Google tab. The third way is to go to any browser. Write Google and go to your Google account. Here we click on your profile. Click Manage your Google account. Now we need to click Data and Privacy. Scroll to the bottom. And here you will see the option to delete your Google account. Click here. Next, you will need to enter the password for your Google account. We can also change it if we chose one we don't want by clicking here. And just change it. You'll need to enter your password. Once you've entered your password, click Next. Then the next step is to scroll down. Read the whole instruction. And then at the bottom, you will have in the bottom right corner Delete Account. Click Delete Account after you have the password, and you can delete it permanently. If you liked and found this video helpful, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Everyone, thank you very much for watching who watched this video to the end. Put likes, write comments. Goodbye.